Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to update software on your TCL 32 V5C TV. From the home screen, navigate to the top bar and select the gear icon to open settings. Then first thing we want to do is check the internet connection on the TV. So go to Network and Internet menu and make sure that you have a Wi-Fi network with the connected status. So after that, go to Device Preferences, and in this menu select About, then select Software Update, and here select Network Update. Then we have two kinds of updates for this TV: the System Update, which will update the Android system, and the Service Update, which will update the TV services. So select System Update first and let your device check for any available updates. If TV finds any update, it will automatically start to download it and then install it on your TV. After we have installed System Update, let's install the Service Update by selecting the second option on the list, and also let your device check for an update. Just like in the previous menu, if your TV finds any available update, it will automatically download and install it. So once the updates are downloaded, to make sure that all the changes applied, press and hold the power button on your remote control and then select OK to power off your device, and then wait for the LED indicator to appear at the bottom of your TV screen. And once you see it, wait for a couple of seconds and press power button once again to turn on your TV. And after the restart, all the changes will be applied. And so that's basically how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.